Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channels. Today again I brought for you the Lami's theorem problem. So Lami's theorem problems, what they are asking here, find the tension in various portions AB, BC and CD. They are asking to find the various portions of the tension and also find the weight and also find the weight at point C. Okay. So this is the question. So first, how we will identify these problems we can solve by the Lami's theorem because they are not mentioned anywhere. So how we will know this will solve the Lami's theorem? So once they are asking find the force AB, tension AB, BC, CD. You see, suppose we will draw free body diagram. This part, what is coming? And this equal and opposite forces. So now you look here. Once you're drawing, now we are seeing the junction point. So what is the Lami's theorem telling? If three coplanar and concurrent forces passing through the same points, we can apply in this particular junction Lami's theorem. Other method of resolution of forces and all you will do, that you can, two parts you have to do, you have to resolve these forces, inclined forces you have to resolve, and we can find. That will be more time taking. So Lami's theorem, when we are applying, a complicated diagram will be there. Apply the Lami's theorem in the particular junction and we can solve. For that only Lami's theorem we are applying. So okay, now look here. So our first work as usual, what we are doing the free body diagram for that. So free body diagram first we will draw. So we will start from little bigger free body diagrams we will draw. You see here AB. Then here weight will be 75. Now this horizontal line you draw. Both sides I will draw. This and this. Now another inclined line is here. Inclined line draw and then weight W. Okay. Weight W and this. Okay. So now this is the, what is this one, tension of this thing? TCD name. This will be the W. This will be the 75 Newton given. Then this will be TAB, tension of the string TAB. If this will see TBC and this also will be the TBC because they are separating, so equal and opposite force. Newton's third law, what are they telling? Force will act equal and opposite direction. So TBC there. Now what is given? What is information given? Because Lami's theorem once will apply, you see here. Suppose this P force, opposite angle we have to take proportional to sine. Q na opposite force beta will take. R opposite force sine gamma will take. That means this is the force. A TAB, TBC and load. So what is angle we need? This angle we need. We need this angle and we need this angle. If I know this angle, we'll apply the Lami's theorem at particular junction at point B. You write somewhere here B. Junction point B. This is junction point C. Now look here. If I know this angle, we can calculate. So now look here. This angle I know 90. Which one angle? This I know 90. This also you know 90. This only I don't know. Some information is given. What is information given here? If we'll draw the construction, this length given 6 meter. This length equal to this length because AB and CD will be parallel. So this length equal to this length. So here, if we'll write here 0.6, this also length is 0.6 given. So theta 1, suppose I am taking theta first, be not theta 1, considering tan inverse 0.6 by 6. 0.6 by 0.6. So tan inverse 1 is 45. So 45 degree. So now we know this angle is 45. This angles only we know 45. Okay. So this angle will be 180 minus 45, 135 degree. So all angles I know now, junction B. Now again here, this length will be given 0.6, this given 0.35. So theta 2 equal to, suppose this theta 1 assume na, this right, theta 2 is equal to tan inverse 0.6 by 0.35. So this theta 2 will get how much we calculated? 59.74. 59.74 degree. So this angle how much? 180 minus 59.74 will get 120.26 degree. So over. So these angles we know. This angle we know how much? 59.74. Now again we will redraw this two diagram at junction B. You see here. Briefly, we'll write only angle. So, what is this one? 75 Newton. This TBC. This is TAB. 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 Now write all the angles, will write only. So this angle how much? 135 degree. This angle will be 90 degree. This angle will be 90 plus 45. 90 plus 45 equal to 135 degree. So I know all the angles. So apply the Lami's theorem at point B. Apply the Lami's theorem at point B. So what will write? TAB divided by opposite angle sin 90. Sin 90 degree. TBC, opposite angle between these two forces, sin 135. So okay, now load the given 75, opposite angle is sin 135. This angle also sin 135. So 135 angle. So now see this 135, 90 plus 45, 135. Okay. Now look here. If we know this relation, now we can group together 1 and 2, 1 and 3. We'll see where is the unknown is less. So 1 and 2 if we'll do now, we cannot calculate. So we have to take 1 and 3 or 2 to 3. So okay. So first we are taking TAB by sin 90 equal to 75 by sin 135. So TAB you will get directly. If you will calculate this, TAB is equal to sin 90 into 1 divided by sin 135. So TAB value you are getting 106.08. 106.08 Newton. So I know TAB. Now I taken 1 and 3. Now take 2 and 3. TBC by sin 135 and 75 by sin 135. So denominators will be equal. So this get cancelled na. TBC directly what is? TBC is equal to 75 Newton. TBC equal to 75 Newton. Now look here. First 90, 75 by this. If we will calculate TAB is equal to sin 90 into, so 1 into 75 divided by 135. All will be in degree. This all will be in degree. So okay. We got. Now take the junction point C. Junction point C, how it is? TBC. This is W and this is TCD. So this angle how much? 120.26. This angle will be 90 plus 59. So 149.74. This will be 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. So apply the Lami's theorem at point C. This point B. So this point B, apply the Lami's theorem B. Here we applied, here C. So at C, apply the Lami's theorem at point, right? POIN point C. Okay. Now right here, TCD divide by opposite angle sine 90. Then TBC, opposite angle, TBC opposite angle, sine 149.74. Then W divided by sine 120 point, right here theta 1 somewhere, theta 1 is equal to tan inverse 0.6 by 0.6, theta 1 is equal to 45, that before value. So here due to the space again I wrote. So what is W is equal to opposite angle sine 120.26. Now 1, 2, 3. So at point B we got the relation. Now we'll group together. TBC value already you know. So take 2 and 3. TBC value is 75 by sine 149.74. Yes, 74 equal to W by sine 120.26. Sine W by sine 120.6. So W is equal to, you will get the value directly. How much W value we got? 128.53. 128.53 Newton. Now, if we'll take another point, what we'll take? First TCD we need, no? So we'll write somewhere here. Where we'll write? Okay, problems not required now. Now look here. TCD divided by sine 90 equal to, take any one. W already we know how much? 128.53 divided by sine 120.26. So TCD you will get value already we calculated. TCD 148.81. 148.81 Newton. So okay. So what you observe here? This junction point, you find this angle. This one find this angle. Other angles almost we know. So for this, what is the general geometry you have to remember? See here. Suppose two parallel line, one inclined line crossing or cutting. What is the alternate angle? This angle equal to this angle. If this angle will be this angle, alternate angle always will be equal. Then also face angle will be there. Some concept. This angle equal to this angle. This angle equal to this angle. Somewhere face angle concept will come. Somewhere this angle is 180. Suppose is there no 180. Suppose we know this angle 180 minus this angle will get this angle. So this concept. Suppose vertical line is there. That is called 90 degree. So many concepts coming here. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree I know. This angle 90 degree I know. This angle 90 degree no. 180 minus this we know this angle. So very simple geometry is there to get the angle. Once we are getting the angle, substitute this formula and get the answer. So Lami's theorem problem generally whatever type of problems will be there, either the given angle or the given side, calculate these three angles in the junction point and get the value. Okay students, watch this video from beginning to end, then only you will understand. And subscribe the channel so you will get the notifications when I'll upload the new video. Okay students.